Generous enough to allow us to videotape. So this is a hair situation that is called alopecia, and our client has areas on her hairline. It's a little sticky there, where there just isn't hair, and it's probably not going to grow back. We've kind of determined that that's just going to be how it is, but she does want to keep what hair she does have. So we have created an invisablend for her that can help to integrate her own hair so that she gets sun and oxygen to her scalp, and we can use her own hair that she has integrated through the piece, and then we are able to secure the piece on in these in the front and the back. So underneath here, she has a couple of areas, but we attach her invisablend down here, and then on the sides we'll need to shave just these little areas right here, just kind of take them a little bit closer, because we do tape right in here. We leave the hairline, if you just put your head down, and let me make sure I'm seeing you well. Okay, so here at the hairline, so now her natural hairline is here, but before the alopecia, her hairline was a little lower. So that's why we have this marked, because we're going to be putting her invisablend process. There's a piece of M1, which is similar to a lace material here, and then we're going to create what we call anchors around here to hold her invisablend process on, and we'll show you the end results. Here's what the hair looks like from the underside. This will be attached to the skin. This will be integrated, her hair will be integrated through this portion. And in the back, we leave it open here so that above the ear there's no tape or glue or anything uncomfortable. And then down in the back here where there is no hair, we will be taping this, and we will be sewing this to her hair. So this is where that will be. So this little area right here where there's no hair, and we just trim her hair so that it's just out of the way. So this is where this is going to be. And then up here we have created the little anchors, and that's where this will be sewn on. And in the front of her hairline it'll be left open here, so it's nice, and she doesn't have tape here, and we'll be taping the sides, which is right there. So now what we're doing is we're starting to attach the process to the client's hair. So it's been sewn now onto the little anchors on the front, and we're just starting to bring it back, and we'll sew here, and we'll sew here, and we'll sew there. That way it's completely anchored with no glue. I'm just cutting in just a little bit of texture. We've already layered everything. I just wanted you to see that this is her, it is her hair now. There is no way, in any way, it feels like a wig or a hair piece. It's completely secure. We've cut a lot of the bulk out of the back. We're making layers now. And as you can see, she has just a really nice hairline. You don't have to worry about it coming up and away from her hairline. And then we'll do some curling iron curls and you know, get it looking basically her style. And here I see a little bit of bulk, so I'm just taking out any kind of bulk that makes it look a little too thick and not as natural. Okay, I just wanted to show you the finished results. It's gorgeous. You can run your hands through it. It doesn't move. It's bouncy. So here's kind of the 360. We just did a lot of layering throughout the crown and back. I want to give you that kind of visual of us kind of playing with it. Do you want to run your hands through it, Carolyn? Thank you. Yeah, so just you can, you know, push it back, and it just gives her an absolutely beautiful option.